Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. This is my Factorio series built from scratch, season 2. And I built from scratch a tank. And I built from scratch some solid fuel to use as fuel in the tank. And I built from scratch some explosive cannon shells. And I need some place to demonstrate. So this is the closest place to demonstrate right here. So here's the main factory down here. And I'm right up there. I'm going to demonstrate the tank with explosive cannon shells. And you can also deploy defender capsules from inside the tank. So let's rotate that up to the top. And the tank weapon you select over here on the left with the tab key. So I have the main gun selected. And give me some defender capsules. And let's go up here and demonstrate. What's my deployment limit? Again, this number down here, when that number turns green. Oh, wow, 20? Oh, wow, 25? Oh, 30? I don't even need the tank. Okay, anyway. Hold down space to fire the selected gun, which currently I have the tank main gun selected, and the mouse is the aim, where you aim. So you just kind of point the mouse where you want the tank to fire, and it will fire in that direction. And these shells they're not as powerful as a grenade when they explode, but they're not bad. And I have the defender capsules protecting me from bugs that try to attack me. Let me see if I can demonstrate how powerful these are compared to grenades. So it's not like a grenade, but here, let's go over here. Let's just shoot at the trees. So let's shoot this tree here. See, it took out multiple trees. Now a grenade will do more than that. So grenade will take out a bigger patch of trees. But not, and maybe, what is it? Like maybe double? I don't know, something like that. Anyway, that's explosive cannon shell. I just really wanted to demonstrate. I didn't need to take those out. I just wanted to demonstrate that. I wanted to build some walls, and I was just thinking I should clear out any bugs that are going to be close to the wall. But I'll go around here with the tank. If I think I need to clear out some of these others, I will. But I don't think I really need to. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate that. Oh, and then where did I build those? I built over here explosives. I'm sorry, it's dark again. I'll wait for it to be undark, and then I'll show you the explosive build. I'll be right back. Here's the explosive cannon shell build. Well, actually, it makes explosives over here in the chemical plants. Explosives are coal, sulfur, and water. So you can see the coal and sulfur comes down from the bus, and water comes in here on these pipes right there. And then explosives are put out on this conveyor, and then I bend that around this way, and it goes up through here. These are the explosive cannon shells. They require steel, plastic, and explosives. So there we just saw the explosives. Steel and plastic comes down from the bus, right there. And then these machines over here are for artillery shells. I have not researched those yet, so that's what that's for. So those are the explosive cannon shells that I was using in the tank. They're pretty good. I like those. The other, there's another cannon shell you could make. This one. This is called cannon shell. There's slight differences. If you look at the bottom of the window that's open there, projectile range is 30, piercing power is 300, and then the one that I like, the range is the same. Piercing power is lower on the explosive one, but then you get the explosion damage. Which I like that. I think I like that better. I think it's better for taking out individual bugs. Anyway, it's up to you. So that's what I made, and there's where I make it, and that's down here at the bottom of the factory. I have been busy clearing out bugs with my tank. Let me show you the map. So here's the main factory. I'm building walls. Zoom in here, you can see. There's a double layer wall. I don't have laser turrets yet, but I blueprinted some in there. I do have flamethrower turrets with oil supplying the flamethrower turrets. There is power, there is radar. So that's what the wall looks like. So there's a wall there. There's a wall there. There's one there. There's one there. See, I've been busy. There's one there. And now I'm about to go out here, and I just revealed a bunch of this stuff, and it looks like it narrows out here. Well, you can see it does. So you can see there's water that comes down this way, and there's water that goes up this way. So right in here is the narrow spot, and that's where I'm going to wall. Thus that will give me, I don't really need it, but that'll give me coal. Well, I like the uranium. It'll give me that coal, that uranium, that copper. That's a nice size copper, and a smaller wall to build and to maintain. Oh, and then along the walls, this see this green and orange there? That's the RoboPort area. So each wall has RoboPorts along the wall, and the wall, here's the wall right here. So when you zoom out, it's the grayish color. The wall is in the, for sure, in the repair or slash build area, the green area. And then I threw in some construction bots. And in the RoboPort, if I hover over the RoboPort, look at this window that opens. It says right now there's 50 construction robots and 50 repair packs. I think that's per RoboPort. Yes, but they're and these are all in the same network. So these the construction robots up here can go down through here and do repairs. And then I put chests out here. Maybe I didn't put one out here yet. I need to do that. And I put wall sections in the chest. Let's see, did I put a chest over here? I need to check that. Oh yeah, there's a chest there. So in the chest there's walls and two kinds of pipes. I need to put that over here on this one. This is the most recent wall that I built. So I didn't put a chest there yet. The chest has to be in the orange area of the RoboPort. So let me do that. Where am I at? Oh, I'm way back here getting supplies. Anyway, I'll go over here and put that chest there. And then I'm going to go out here and take out a bunch of bugs and build the wall over here. There's obviously a narrowing there. So I'll put the chest there, take out a bunch of bugs, and I'll show you maybe one of those when I'm ready to build the wall. So I'll be back. Here, I'll show you the first one. I'm out here at the first bug base here. I'll show you with a tank and tank rounds and defender capsules. It's pretty simple. Just, don't get stuck on a puddle or something like that. But and I don't even need those. I'll put them in there. But I've got the explosive cannon shells. I've got defender capsules. I'll deploy those from inside the tank. You can see the base is up there. What's the deployment limit? I forgot. It's way up there now. Is it 200? Something crazy. No, it's like, what, 40? 30. Okay, 30. 30 is still plenty. So, mouse pointer is the aim. And I just drive around the perimeter and take out the spawners, take out the worms. The defender capsules are protecting me from the bugs that try to chase me. You can see it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to do that around the rest of these bases. I'm going to take all this out, and then this is the narrowing where I can build the wall out here. So I'll be back. I have more cannon shells. This is the last base I think I need to take out. These 2, 3, whatever it is. Maybe I'll drive around here and reveal that. But I'll just show you this last one, what it looks like. Again, pretty easy. Tank. Where did I put my tank rounds? Helps if you load them into the tank. Tank, explosive cannon shells. Tab key again selects the weapon, so let's select the explosive or the cannon, and defender capsules, and deploy defender capsules. Hold down left mouse. 30, I think I said, was the limit. 30. Yep, there we go. You can see I've visited them already once. Try not to get stuck on puddles. I drive around the perimeter. Now this is a big perimeter. You don't have to go all the way around the edge like this. You can double back if there's room to turn around. and just concentrate on part of it, like this. I'm just watching for things I'm going to get stuck on. That's the danger, that you wouldn't see a puddle. Try to avoid the worms. I mean, you don't want to run into them, but try to avoid where they're firing. The worm goo, I think the damage is additive. I think if there's multiple worms that all hit you at the same time, you take more damage. That's why sometimes you're wondering, oh, why did I take so much damage there? It's there's, all those worms are coordinating their attacks. See, I took quite a bit of damage. If all those worms coordinate their attack and they all hit you at the same time, you can take some damage. I don't know if I showed you this or not. I built the modular armor on the lower left. I'm pointing there. And in the modular armor, I put some portable solar panels. I put a personal RoboPort and some batteries. And so now I can repair the tank the lazy way. I can just be inside the tank, and I have some construction robots. I hope. Yes, I have construction robots, and I have. Ooh, I need more repair packs. I've got a few, but I have repair packs. And so here's the button right here, toggle personal RoboPort. Just turn on your RoboPort, and a little robot pops out and repairs you. It's a little lazy way to repair the tank. I turn them off when I'm doing combat because they will hop out of there and try to repair as you're in the middle of combat, and they'll get destroyed. So that's why I turn them off. I try to remember to turn them off. I don't always remember. So let me go down through here and take this base out. And let's see, where's my defender capsules? I don't need to go any more to the right. This is where I want to build the wall, because you can see there's a little narrowing there, a little choke point. But I'm just gonna reveal this and show you what I've been doing. Here, let's just drive down through the edge of here. So like a triple base. See, I'm taking a lot of damage from all the worms. So just kind of double back around. I'm just trying to avoid running into puddles, and I'm monitoring my health bar and make sure I have some place where I can drive, where I can go get repaired. So they'll stop chasing me here momentarily. There we go. One more. Come on, buddy. And then turn on your RoboPort. There, I'll zoom in so you can see the bot repairing me. And I'm all repaired. Turn the RoboPort off. And let's just do that a couple more times. And this base will be good enough. Like I say, I don't need to take all this out. I'm going to run out of defender capsules anyway, so this will be the last run through here, and it'll be good enough, I think. I just don't want it to be close to the wall. That looks pretty good. And all my defender capsules are getting used up. And I'll deploy some more. Oh, my health went way down. They almost killed me. I was watching it. Like that, and that's probably good enough. Turn on my RoboPort, get repaired here. Yeah, that's plenty. That's enough room. I'm just going to build a wall right to there, like that. In fact, I think I can show you that process right now, because I'm lined up almost perfectly with where I want the wall to be. Okay, so let's go Let's turn off the RoboPort. Right here, right where this water sticks up here. So what I do is, with the tank, it's great. You line up, and I have the mod that allows me to drive in a straight line easier. So just I'm lined up here vertically, and the reason I like the tank is it'll plow through trees. So then you get your wall segment. Give me your wall segment, please. And where I want to start, hold down left mouse, make sure it's behind the tank so the trees will get removed. And just drive. And you get a perfectly straight wall through the trees. I didn't really check to see if this is exactly where I wanted it. Oh, and rocks and everything. Tank just pulverizes everything. Is this going to line up with where I want up here at the top? Hang on a second, tank. Let me look here. Good enough. That's good enough. See a red spot up there. I saw it red. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's a worm to the left of us. Yeah. I see you over there, buddy. And do I have any grenades? Yes, I do. Oh, there's goo. So is that a good spot? Oh yeah, that's perfect. See, that's like the choke point there, and it goes up to there. That will work. So give me my tank, and I'll drive down through there again. Let's get lined up here without crashing into my newly built wall. I think that'll work right there. And let's build a second layer. Again, I'm using that mod, which I cannot remember the name of, which helps me drive in a straight line. If you're not using that mod, the other thing you can do is you can pick up the tank and then place it back down. And when you place it down, it will be you can make it perpendicular, up, down, left, right, one of 4 directions. And it'll be perfectly positioned. Like this. Okay. So there's my wall. Like that. And then I had made a wall over there on the other side of the map, and I made a copy of it, a blueprint of it. So it looks like this. I have the spacing for laser turrets and flamethrower turrets that I like. So let's get that lined up here with the wall, with the current wall that I have there. And let's go like this. Like that. And there's the, where's the grenades at? There's the laser turrets, there's the flamethrower turrets. Like that. I don't have laser turrets yet, but I put them in there anyway. And now I can use the my robots to build this, and it'll only build, of course, the stuff that I have. So let's turn the robots on, and they will go out and place the things that they can place, like the small, or excuse me, medium electric poles, and the pipe and the flamethrowers if I have enough. I don't know. Do I have enough flamethrowers? Oh, I may have 71. Yeah, I probably do have enough. I'm just going to drive up through here kind of slowly and let the bots build. It's easier than doing it myself by hand. Let's get a little bit closer here without running into the pipe. And be careful with the tank. You can easily destroy your own stuff. So I'll just go up through here at this pace, and the bots will We'll build, if there's a tree in the way, you see that? They get the tree out of the way for you. Like those X's, those red X's, that means there's trees in the way. Trees are rocks, and the bots will remove those. And then you'll have a bunch of wood and stone in your inventory. Oh, that's not right. That print isn't quite right. I didn't notice that before. Is that goofed up down here? See that pipe right there on the end? It should be a pipe to ground. Is that goofed up somewhere? I built this by hand over there on the other side of the world, and I just did a Control-C and made a blueprint of it. And I didn't notice that the end flamethrower turret did not have a pipe to ground. I think it was just that one. Yes, it was just that one. Okay, that's fine. I just need to remember when I paste the blueprint down again up here to get rid of that last bit of pipe. So I will do this, and let's see, where's power at? Probably way to the left. Oh, there's some power down there. And I need oil for the flamethrowers. Okay, oil's here too. You know, I ran oil by pipe to these walls, and I'm kind of thinking bringing a train over here, because there's a train that loads oil right to there. Wouldn't that be convenient? Just come out of there with a train and then have the train bring oil up here for flamethrowers. I'm also thinking that I might want the trains to run to the walls anyway, to resupply the walls with repair packs and things. Why don't we do that? I'll extend this train line over here to this wall. So let me finish building the flamethrowers here, and then I'll work on the train. I'll be back. I'm out here at the end of this rail line right here, where I'm currently collecting oil. I'm going to build a track up through here at an angle to this wall over here. I think is what I want to do. Let's see, do I have... Do I have... Do I want the... Do I want... Oh, I was talking about rail, the item's called stackers the other day. I wasn't sure if I had one of my blueprints or not, but I do. That's a blueprint. In my blueprint, it's called stacker, and it's also called a rail yard. So there's different ways you can do them. The one in my unload all station is not angled like that. It's just straight, left and right. The same idea. The signaling is what's important. Okay, let's do a 45 like this. 45 out of, I might need to go straight a little bit more and then do 45. Let's come out of here to the right. And, oops, and like this. If I go over here, let's see, I want, yeah, I'm just going to build it from the train, I think. I was thinking about, do I want to build it from the tank or from the train? I think I'll just build it from the train. I'll see how that goes. The only thing about the tank is nice, building rail, because you can run over trees. Like this tree right here. I can't do anything about that when I'm in the train. Now if I have bots, which I do, they will go out and take the tree up, but the problem is they'll start trying to build this over here on this side. So if I turn the bots on, see, they'll go over there and build that. Don't know if I can... I've just got a few solar panels right now in this tiny little armor. We'll try it and see how it goes. I'll kind of keep an eye on the battery. If the bots will build it, we'll just do that. So you just pull forward and let the bots build. But maybe. We'll see. It's probably faster than doing it by hand. Barely. I get frustrated with the slowness of the bots, personal ones. Okay, where am I going with this? Let's see. What do I want? What do I want? I want. Do I want this? Yeah, let's see how far over here do I want to go with this. Right about in here somewhere. Like that. Okay. Give me the short one. I'm just holding forward. And as the bots place the rail, I drive forward. The nice thing is when you get things in the way, like the stone, if you hold shift, the bots will go collect those as well. I'm just holding forward. They're collecting stone right now, that's why it's slow. Okay, that'll work. I'm going to turn them off. I need to make this rail line up with this rail here. Like that. And like that. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I really think I can build it faster than the bots, because you just point to the rail, press Q, see that arrow, green arrow? You can build rail very quickly. And if you just go back and forth on each side, I think it is really quicker than the bots. The only thing is, like I say, is when stuff gets in the way, but I still think I'm faster than the bots are. And then you can use grenades, of course, if I have any. If there's trees in the way. Oops, I'm stuck on a tree, speaking of trees. You can use grenades to remove multiple trees, so. Let's see. And I'm going to go, is that a good angle? Yeah, that's a good angle. Let's go along this angle here. Okay, that's going to be too boring to watch me do all that, but you see what I'm doing. So I'll finish building a rail and I'll show you some interesting stuff. Okay, this is my wall repair station, and it has some, it's hard to see. Well, I don't have any of those. Do I have any filter inserters? Yes, I do. Or I can make some, I should say. So these are filter inserters here, and you've seen the chest, and there's a rumble port right here. And there's some logic. Oh, can I make these? Let's see, I need a decider combinator, and you are a constant combinator. Can I make some of you? No. What am I missing? Copper. Really? Oh, copper cable. I don't carry that normally. Okay, I'll have to make some of those and bring them out here. I'll have to show you that. Okay, I'll be right back. This is the wall repair station. It's in place now with all the inserters and stuff. We need to wait till next episode to talk about it, because I need the next science to build the requester chests. The other end of this, the one that goes in the base where the supplies are loaded on the train, it uses the the requester chests, I think. So I'll need to wait till next episode to talk about that. Anyway, I want to show you the map. Let's go to map view here. So I have a wall now everywhere. And I tried to pick the narrowings, the natural choke points. And each wall is about the same. It's got the double layer wall. It has laser turrets blueprinted in there, yet I'm not making those. But it does have flamethrower turrets, so we're very secure. I've got radar. You can see the arc there from the flamethrower turret, and there's overlapping fire and, you know, massive coverage. These things are, flamethrowers are OP for sure, overpowered. So there's that wall up there, the wall over here. Again, it's under repair area of the roboports. And I put some chests out here with parts in the chest. You see there's pipes and wall segments, and there's construction bots in the roboports. So there's a wall there, and there's a little wall down here, and a wall across the bottom there, and a wall there. So everything is walled off. I don't have radar everywhere inside the base, but again, this is a rail world. Biter expansion is turned off. So you don't need to worry about biters sneaking their way in and building bases when you're not looking. Now, with biter expansion turned on, which is the normal setting in the game, they will do that. They will get in there and start rebuilding bases. They won't do that with the rail world setting. And so I am very secure right now until I start. Let's see, where's pollution? Yeah, pollution is not hitting any bases outside the wall. It might eventually. Now this doesn't count. This is an island. The bugs can't get off the island. But anywhere else, there's no pollution hitting anything. If I started, if I started using artillery and I wanted to expand, let's say I wanted to expand down through here, and I wanted to start shooting artillery and clearing out bug bases, they would counterattack. So then the wall defenses would be used. But right now, they're not going to be used for anything, I don't think, in a rail world. I could be wrong, but I don't think they're going to be used. I don't remember the bugs. They don't have expansion turned on. I don't know. Do they go out and do the bugs wander away from their home base very far? I can't remember on a rail world. Anyway, we don't need to worry about them trying to build. That's the main thing. So everything is secure. Everything is walled. Now I can go back to building science. And like I said, I need to make these two sciences, production and utility. I usually build utility first. I like the tools or the toys that you get when you build utility science. So I got to build this one next, probably. Anyway, there's what it looks like so far. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. Oh, I ran a, what did I do? I ran a pipe. I did not bring oil in a train. I said I was going to bring oil in a train. I could not decide. I just ran a pipe. Didn't I? Oh yeah, right here. Here's the pipe. It's kind of hard to see. I ran a pipe over here and over here and got oil from there. So, see ya.